fishermen and women tonight if you like to do it. And if you like to love on one another, who's going to love some tonight? Who's loving somebody? Whoa, sing with me. Whoa. If I could make a living from walking in the woods, you can bet I'd be sitting pretty good, high on a hill, looking at a field downwind. If I could make a nickel off of turning in bass, never worry about the price of gas, I'll be wheeling and dealing and sitting there reeling them in. Sing with me. Hunting, fishing, and loving every day. That's the bread that a country boy brings. Thank God he made me this way. Hunting, fishing, and loving every day. Early in the morning, late in the evening, I'm getting red dirt rich and play river paid. Hunting, fishing, and loving every day. Come on. I get a little farm bomb buzz, sound of gravel when I'm backing up, pulling the string on a 9.92 stroke, Mercury. Love it when my baby wants to roll with me, throws her boots on, climbs in a tree. She tugging her hair in my hat, she's ready to go. Sing. And we get to hunting, fishing, and loving every day. That's the prayer that a country boy brings. Thank God he made me this way. Hunting, fishing, and loving every day. Early in the morning, late in the evening, get red dirt rich and play river paid. Hunting, fishing, and loving every day. Let's go hunting, fishing. Loving every day. Wanna see them tall pines sway. Y'all ready to go? Y'all close your eyes.